reason being is because we have seen you guys do your best in class, and you guys are learning the basics really well and very fast. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now, all this week we've been talking about discipline and self-discipline. What are the difference between the two?
Self-discipline is when they don't tell you what to do.
Good. That's very good. Self-discipline means do the correct thing without being told. So if your mom and your dad tell you, take out the trash, do your homework, that's discipline. But if you do it without them telling you, that's self-discipline. That's what we want as karate students. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ready yet? Sir!
Sir.
Bow.
Yes, sir.
Guardy sense, go! Good. Ready? Front punch, back punch. Front punch, back punch. Okay, ready yet? 1! Kias. It's okay. Kias. Ready yet? 2! Good. 3! Good. 4! 5! Good. Front punch, back leg front kick. 1, 2, 3. Kias, loud. Okay? Ready and 1! This one. You're okay? You're doing good, don't worry about it. Ready and 2! Good. 3! 4! Faster. 5! Good. Switch your feet.